Good morning, students. Today we are going to read seventh chapter of our English course book, and that is Fight Manju Fight, written by Sirun Srivastava. In my previous class, I have already told you that please read this chapter carefully, and I hope all of you would read them carefully. Now, look at this story. This is the story of a disabled girl, disabled, handicapped, disabled, a person who have some short parts of their body is called disabled or handicapped. We face various challenges in our day-to-day life, but some encouragement of our friends, of our parents, of our teachers aspire us to do something better despite effort. This is the story of a girl who is disabled. He has only two fingers in their both hands. Figure is also shown in your book. She has only two fingers in both the hands. Despite of handicap, she wants to be a painter. She knows very well she cannot paint like Hussain. M.F. Hussain. Hussain is a famous painter of India. But she wants to paint. She is handicapped. I mean, only two fingers in both the hands. She is not only handicapped with her hand, but also with her foot. The toes of her both the legs bend towards each other, and it makes moon shape. So here both the problem, either hand as well as hand or leg. But she want to paint with whatever hand nature gave him. So she went to her mother and asked for some extra money. Even her mother asked her, "What's the problem? Why do you want some extra money?" She said honestly that I want to do paint. I want to learn painting. Her mother knows only with two fingers how can this girl learn painting, but she want to inspire her. So she gave her some money to buy materials for painting. Manjula Parlika, the girl, went to the market and bought some watercolor, brush and other materials for painting. And make a beautiful paint. And shows to her mother. Her mother inspire her and say, you will have to show this painting to your father also. So she went to her father and showed him the paint also. Her father also inspired her. Even her brother Amol made some jokes and said, go and sell your paint. But leave this topic. Now, this is the time for her birthday. And neither she wishes for her birthday gift from anyone, or anyone didn't ask her for any birthday gift. But her mother gave her watercolors for her birthday gift. Her father gave her a book named Painting Step by Step. This is the book which will learn her better painting. And her brother Amol also gave her a carton, a box, knotted box. She opened and opened and opened and opened. There are 17 boxes in one box. And finally, there is nothing in the box. Only a piece of paper, and written on it, sorry, better luck next time. But there is also one paper, and it has written, look for the next clue under your pillow. And took her hand and go to room. Below the pillow there is a bundle of brushes, brushes, costly brushes for painting. Now Manjula needs some special paper for her painting, and this is too expensive. Even she said to her mother that she needs a special paper for painting. Her mother assured her to say her father. When at night all children were in their bed, her mother told her father for Manjula's need, but her father refused. He refused because his economic condition is not good. So he said, this is not possible for me because all things are very costly and whatever he managed the expense of home, he can't afford expensive paper for Manjula, and said Manjula should not learn painting, and after all she has a girl and she has to help you in your kitchen. Manjula heard all the words what her father said to her mother. She just went to her bedroom and tear all the papers in sorrow. दुख में जाकर के वो सारा पेपर फाड़ दी and throw all the bundles of brushes or anything else to cupboard. She just came in the kitchen and asked her mother, did she need any help? Now, rest of the story will be discussed in next class. Thank you.